This is a National Information Center transmitted by the request of the White House. Please stand by. The following message is transmitted by the request of the White House and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. A note from the President has been sent to transmit over the air. This note says the following. My fellow Americans, we have come to inform you that an unusual situation is happening on planet Earth. For those who don't know, today when it was some people's birthday, they are becoming the same age as they were before their birthday. It was also found that regular time was going half of its usual amount. For example, 30 seconds would be 1 minute. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration has found out that the planet is slightly going half of its usual speed. NASA is figuring out a plan to get the planet in its regular shape. For now, I advise everyone to stay updated to this situation. That was the end of the message. We will now return you to regular programming.